Hi, I'm Ipshita. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a nail extension on an extremely bitten and small nail bed. Just see the condition of my mother's nail. So, I have done all the other nails and left this nail to do it in front of camera. So, let's start. So I'll be starting the process by pushing the cuticles back. तो हम अभी क्यूटिकल पुश करेंगे धीरे से. My mother is 71 years old. Her skin is very tender. So accordingly I have to do the nail. Actually in this type of nail bed, इतने तक nail होने से ठीक रहता. If the nail would have gone till here, it would have been better. But she loves long nails. So I have to bring it a little longer till here. So let's see how I can do it. Now for this type of nail, this type of skin, I'll be just keeping it on 3. And remove the cuticle portion. The dead skin of the cuticle. अगर ये डेड स्किन रिमूव नहीं होगा तो लिफ्टिंग हो सकता है. दिस ड्रिल बिट इज अवेलेबल इन इंडिया ऑल्सो. आई विल पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. इससे लगता नहीं एकदम. आई विल डस्ट इट एंड जस्ट दिस स्किन आई विल कट इट ऑफ वेरी जेंटली. Now with the sanding band, I'll prep the nail bed. Just removing the shine. ज़्यादा dig मत कीजिए. Just remove the shine of the nail. Don't dig into to the nails, okay? Otherwise, the nail will start paining. Now with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, I'll be removing the dust. Always pull this way. Don't pull it this way because the dust will come out this way. And if you do this way, the dust will get inside all these corners. Now I'll be using the dehydrator to remove all the excess oil. Primer. Don't touch the skin. Now for these type of nail beds, we cannot apply any nail tip because if we apply the nail tip, maximum foundation area will be get covered. Only this portion will be left. You can see only this portion. Neither can I use a foam. Now I am taking a very small brush, number 8. You have to choose your brush according to the nail bed of your client. Now I will take clear acrylic. Only this much. See, only this much. And we'll place it over here. Don't go till the cuticle area and make a nail bed, artificial nail bed. Now we have to wait till the nail bed dries. So since I am doing the nail on a 71-year-old lady, so I won't be using the 100 grit side because her skin is very tender. I will take the 180 side and will file a little. You can also use the rubber band, your e-file, and can file it. Just level it up. This portion should be flushed with the natural nail. Now I am going to do the extension with a foam. I'll take the foam. Now I can place it. See, कितना आराम से ये हो रहा है. It went inside. I have to keep it in line with the nail and tightly close it. So see, the nail portion, this portion of the nail is completely inflashed with the foam. See the sideways also, it is flashed. Now my mother loves a red color and I custom made this color with some red chalk and clear and some golden, silver and red glitter, which gave this color. So I am going to build the full nail with this and then encapsulate it. Take a small bit, apply it. Don't apply over the cuticle, but take it towards the cuticle. There shouldn't be any notch. It should be flushed with the side walls. Now I'll encapsulate it with clear acrylic. So it's ready to get filed. I'm taking a 100 and 180 grade file. This side is 180 and this side is 100. So I will file the sides only with 100 grit file to give the shape. So my nail is filed. Now I will clean it with some lint-free wipe and some alcohol. I am using Emi-Gel's top. See you. Goodbye.